Alright guys, welcome to the last video of this series in which we'll be scrapping multiple pages from our Amazon.com website. So I've opened up our link, and what we'll be doing in this video is scrapping the multiple pagination over here so that we can scrap multiple pages of this last 30 days book section. And you guys probably already know how to do it, but I'm just gonna go over it again for the sake of completion. So the first thing we're gonna do is create a variable over here, and let's call it page number. And then I'm going to give it the value of 2, and then we'll just go back to our Chrome and check out the website. And if we go down over here, you can see that there are multiple pages, 1 2 3, but in the URL there is no page number, there is no query for the page number. So but if we click on the second page, then you can see that this page number 2 has appeared, and that is why we'll be using this link. So we'll just copy this link from here, and we'll go back to our code, and just underneath this yield items, I'm going to create a variable, and let's call it next page equals to, and then I'm going to store that URL inside that page. And then I'm going to refer this to from this page number that we have just created inside our class, that is this page number equals to 2, and the next variable will basically contain the next page that we want to scrap. So what we are going to do is we are going to go over here, and we are going to close these from here, and we'll add another quote over here, and then we're going to replace this 2 with the page number. But obviously, because we are referring a class variable, that is why we also have to write down the name of the class. So in our case, the name of the class is Amazon Spider. So we're just going to write that Amazon Spider, and then we're going to add a dot operator, and this will make sure that we refer the right thing. And then it says because this is a string, that is why it needs to be string. That is why we'll convert this integer into a string by putting in parentheses over here. And then let's go back, and if you want, you can put an if condition, which basically says if the next page is less than or equal to 100, because there are 100 pages in our pagination and we just want to scrap 100 pages. You can put that in, but if you don't want to put that in, that is also fine. But I'm just gonna put that in for the sake of completion and just to make sure that you guys understand what I'm doing. So let's go on the next line. Let's say over here, and then we're going to write an if condition, which basically says if Amazon spider dot page number is less than or equal to 100, then we're going to stop this if condition. Let me just do this properly, and then underneath this if condition we're going to write yield and then response.follow, because after it scraps the items that are inside this parse method, it automatically looks for this method known as response.follow. Obviously we have already covered that in that pagination video. And then it requires two parameters, the response.follow method. The first method is what it should do, where should it go, and where we want it to go is to the next page, and then what function do we want to call after it goes to the next page. So we again want to scrap the same item, so we want it to go to the next page and basically go to this parse method again. So we are just going to write callback equal to self.parse, and this will make sure that after it goes to the next page, it again scraps the same thing, and this whole thing will go on until it reaches page number 100. So guys, this is pretty much it. Let's actually run our scraper and see if it works. And one more thing, in settings.py file, I'm gonna add our Google bot so that we don't have any problems scrapping Amazon. So let's go back to our terminal, and if you forgot about user agents, just go back to the video named as user agent and have a look at it again. So I'm just gonna run our scraper again. So let's click on enter, and hopefully it will keep on scraping till we reach page number 100. So let's just wait for it. Alright guys, so it didn't work. It only scraped the first 2 pages. So the problem with this is that we forgot to increase the value of this page number by 1. So let's go back over here, and a very stupid mistake, but we are humans, so I'm just going to increase the value of this page number by 1, and then let's go back to our terminal and let's see what's up. So let me just scrap the Amazon again. Alright, now you can see it has scrapped the second page. Now it's just scrapped the third page, and now it will go on till we reach page number 100. So this is looking pretty good, guys. And so this was the last video of this video series, but don't get disheartened, because I'm going to be uploading a lot more projects in this video series. I have a couple of projects in mind, for example, scraping images and stuff like that. Just tell me in the descriptions or in the discussions wherever you want what you want me to create further in this course. And make sure you also have a look at my other courses, because I have a lot of other Python related video series too. For example, networking videos, GUI videos, how to create GUI softwares and stuff like that. So I'll see you in one of those other video series next time. Peace out.